Oh yeah, baby, it's time once again for another episode of This Old Outboard. Last time on This Old Outboard.
Got my steering back on. This is one finger operation, baby. This is nice stuff. Came off that fast track. Alright, got my old school remote in. This is my shifter. You got forward, neutral, and reverse, and then boom, straight friggin' throttle. Now this was reversed with the cables coming out this way, but I didn't want to cover up the Evinrude logo and stuff, so I reversed everything. Cables coming out that way. Alright, baby, my steering stuff came in. New old stock OMC installation instructions, transom bracket kit number 172645. I love this right here. 1984. It looks like 1954. Anyway, I'm gonna take this puppy down, get this damn thing mounted so I can steer the 40, baby. Alright, so here's how this thing's supposed to go. There's a couple different ways. Wow, looks like I got two holes almost already drilled right there. Huh. Anyway, you're supposed to put this on here like this. Actually 15 inches from the motor, so it'll be about over here. And then that way, you won't need this extension piece here. You just screw this into the pipe. I'm guessing so far, but it needs to hook up way up here. The other thing, you want to be able to flip the motor up. I don't want that gear case soaking in the water all the time. So I can either go here, or I would rather go down here. So if I go down here, I have to be way down here so I can still flip the motor up. Then I can use this piece, which I think should be deep enough, if that makes any sense. I can put this on upside down, I can put it on upside down. But I would rather have it down here because this cable is long and I need as much room as I can get. So this will get like this screwed in, but then I'm still going to have a problem here. I need to mark off where that motor goes when I lift it. See how much clearance I got. Come on, baby. So it'll be like that. And I can put the motor up. And then, you know, this damn cable probably needs to come through this wall because it's so friggin' crooked like that. Which I don't have a problem drilling that thing out. Yeah, it's going to be crooked, so it'd have to come, or maybe just down somewhere along here. Inside here is a little ball that twists and flexes and everything. So you can do this. But once I put the see how high it comes up, it's not going to, it's not going to work way down there. And it's not going to work so way really up needs here. To go off to the side over here. But this freaking cable is so long. It's screwing everything up. Like I said, I need to make up my mind what I want to do. I want to run this thing. I don't want to sit around and look for more freaking parts. All right, this is a pain in the ass. I'm trying to hook this thing up, and that's the wrong freaking size. And it's just a pain in the butt. Now, I've got this that came off another motor I got somewhere along the way, and it has a center hookup, which I think would be better than this. You know, this has got two sides on it. Big hole on this side, smaller hole on this side. So I'm going to swap it around, and I think that's going to be better. Alright, so I've got the middle, or the piece on where it bolts up in the middle. And I think it's going to give me a little more travel. When I go that way, it's going to pull it farther that way and push it farther this way, blah, 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 blah. I'm just going to have to mount it in the middle, and I may be able to clear it when I lift it up. It's kind of, here's my middle point, 4.5 inches, 9 inches. So if I get my steering wheel right on there, and I should be right in the middle of my steering, and then this puppy should go right there in the middle. Here's what I'm doing. Got my first two freaking bolts in there, and I like the idea. I bought them long, and I just went and cut them down a little bit, and then I put two nuts on this side, and I'm going to keep it like that so it stays out a little bit. You know, it comes out a little more even here. You know, making this shit up as I go, as usual. Anyway, I like that idea. Thinking about this hole here, drilling back here, mounting this thing up back here in the back. So it's just more, you know, horizontal with each other instead of this way off here, way out there, and off, you know. Alright, baby, get my cable on here. See what the hell we got. So that's as far as this thing's going to turn, right? That don't look very freaking far to me. Now see, this thing pivots in the middle. Alright, so what I'm going to do is, like I said, I'm going to move this back here and see if I can get all that shit to line up better. Well, that's not too bad, you know. Just needs a little tweaking and maybe some customizing the piece on maybe top. Something straight down would be, you know, better. Vertical instead of horizontal, something like that. All right, man, it's a beautiful morning, early start this morning, sun's just coming up. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I want to go fishing. I should have brought a damn rod and reel with me, just throw a couple pitches off the dock, get some live bait, just chuck it out there, or big bread ball, catfish. Get this damn thing squared away today, and I should be running around here shortly. All right, so here's what I came up with. This piece was bent before, and I had drilled an extra hole in it trying to, you know, work it out. So what I did was heated it up, beat it down so it's flat now, and hooked it up this way. You can see how this ball will pivot and do what it's supposed to do. When I turn here, see, it pivots that way, and then it pivots that way. The problem is this piece should fit right in between these two spacers. See how it's in there cooking? Should fit right in there. And so it doesn't, because right now it's moving back and forth. So I'm going to pull it out and just grind it down so it fits right in there with those two. That's going to be it, man. Clean that piece up. And that's going to be it for my steering for now. Alright, I think I'm pretty good squared away on the steering. Looks like it's going to work, you know. Like I said, I'm not going to keep that like that. But for now, I think it's going to be alright. And that's a hard right. Check this here, see what we got. It's about 14 to the corner. And go hard left. Oh, 14 to the corner. Alright, looking good.
Next time on this old outboard.
Alright, I guess I'm as good as I'm gonna get right now. I'll give this puppy a shot. See what happens.
Follow the real life saga, one outboard at a time, baby.
Going back. Going back.
You know the channel. Don't forget to subscribe.